Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been desperately waiting for a next-generation graphics card that actually fits inside a normal computer case without requiring you to buy a brand new oversized chassis or a specialized support bracket just to keep it from snapping your motherboard in half, you are in the exact right place today. The desktop PC market has been absolutely dominated by massive, heavy, brick-like GPUs over the last few years, and it has made building a reasonably sized computer incredibly frustrating. But today, we are looking at something that feels like a massive breath of fresh air for PC builders everywhere. We're talking about the brand new ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card. This is a true graphical powerhouse equipped with NVIDIA's absolute latest architecture, taking full advantage of the cutting-edge PCIe 5.0 interface and bringing next-level memory speeds to the table. And the absolute best part about it? It is designed specifically from the ground up for small form factor builds. If at any point during this video you decide this is the exact upgrade your gaming rig needs, I have placed direct links to the best deals on Amazon down in the description below. Clicking those links helps support the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you, and it ensures you are getting the current best price and fastest shipping available. Let's start by talking about the physical design and the dimensions, because let's be honest, that is the biggest selling point of this specific ASUS Prime model and the reason so many people are talking about it. For the last few generations of graphics cards, we have seen them grow to ridiculous, almost comical sizes. We're talking about 3-slot, 3.5-slot, and even 4-slot behemoths that sag under their own weight and block half the components on your motherboard. ASUS looked at that trend and finally said that enough is enough. The ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 is officially designated as an SFF-Ready card, which means small form factor. It features a beautifully sleek and streamlined 2.5-slot design. What this means for you as a PC builder is that it is slim enough to fit comfortably into the vast majority of Mini-ITX and Micro-ATX cases currently on the market. If you are trying to build a discrete console-killer PC for your living room media center, or maybe you just want a sleek, minimalist desktop setup that doesn't take up your entire desk space, this is the exact card you have been waiting for. You are finally getting top-tier NVIDIA RTX 50 series performance without being forced to buy a massive full-tower chassis to contain it. But please, do not let the compact SFF-Ready size fool you for a second. ASUS did not compromise on raw gaming performance to achieve this footprint. Underneath the stylish shroud, the graphics coprocessor powering this beast is the highly anticipated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. We are looking at a highly aggressive GPU clock speed of 2542 MHz right out of the box. What does a 2542 MHz core clock speed actually mean for you when you finally sit down to play your favorite games? It means incredibly high, stable frame rates at 1440p resolution and a genuinely fantastic, uncompromising entry into 4K gaming. Whether you are playing the latest AAA cinematic masterpieces with ray tracing effects cranked all the way up to the maximum settings, or you are a highly competitive gamer who absolutely needs rock-solid frame pacing and ultra-low latency in intense multiplayer shooters, this silicone is specifically binned and tuned to handle it effortlessly. Now, we absolutely need to talk about the memory configuration, because this is where the RTX 50 series truly leaves all the older generations in the dust and justifies the upgrade. The ASUS Prime RTX 5070 comes equipped with 12 GB of the brand new revolutionary GDDR7 graphics RAM. Yes, you heard that correctly. We have finally made the leap to GDDR7. Older premium cards use GDDR6 or GDDR6X, but the architectural leap to GDDR7 is absolutely monumental for both raw data bandwidth and overall power efficiency. Running at a truly staggering memory clock speed of 4,000 MHz, this GDDR7 memory ensures that massive, high-resolution textures load almost instantly. If you've ever experienced annoying stuttering, frame drops, or ugly texture pop-in while exploring modern open-world games, it is almost always because the graphics card ran out of VRAM bandwidth and couldn't load the assets fast enough. With 12 GB of GDDR7 blazing at 4,000 MHz, GHz over a state-of-the-art PCIe X16 5.0 interface, those bottlenecks are practically a thing of the past. The data pipeline communicating between your desktop CPU, your motherboard, and this GPU is quite literally as wide and as fast as current consumer technology allows. At this point, you might be asking yourself a very logical question. If this graphics card is so incredibly powerful but so physically small, won't it overheat when I push it to the limit? That is an incredibly valid concern for anyone putting together a small form factor build where airflow is inherently restricted. Thankfully, ASUS is globally legendary for their aftermarket thermal solutions, and they have worked their magic here once again. Despite being only a 2.5-slot card, they somehow managed to pack in 3 high-performance Axial-tech fans. These specific fans are engineered with a much smaller central hub, which naturally facilitates significantly longer fan blades. They also feature a specialized barrier ring around the edge that dramatically increases downward air pressure. If we translate that into simple English, it means these 3 fans push a massive amount of cold air directly through the internal heatsink, while simultaneously spinning at much lower RPMs. The end result is that your desktop stays exceptionally cool and surprisingly quiet, even when you are gaming for hours on end. Furthermore, ASUS has included a dedicated hardware dual BIOS switch directly on the circuit board. This is a massive premium feature that enthusiasts love. With a simple physical flick of a switch, you can instantly toggle between performance mode, which gives you maximum cooling potential when you are pushing overclocks and gaming hard, and quiet mode, which utilizes a much more relaxed fan curve to keep system noise to an absolute minimum while you are just working, watching YouTube, or browsing the web. It's all about giving you total control over your desktop environment. Let's move around to the back of the card and take a close look at the video output interface, because ASUS has future-proofed this GPU brilliantly. For a very long time, PC gamers and hardware enthusiasts have been begging manufacturers for updated display outputs, and the RTX 5070 finally delivers exactly what we have been asking for. This card features 3 native DisplayPort 2.1b connections and 1 native HDMI 2.1b, all fully equipped with modern HCDP support. Why is the inclusion of DisplayPort 2.1b such a massive deal? Because it offers an absolutely unbelievable amount of bandwidth for the next generation of high-end gaming monitors. If you are planning to upgrade your setup to an ultra-high refresh rate 4K OLED monitor, or even one of those insanely wide super ultra-wide displays, DisplayPort 2.1b allows you to run those monitors at their native resolution and their absolute maximum refresh rate without relying on any visual compression technologies. In fact, the display resolution maximum supported by this card is a mind-bending 7680 by 4320, which is full 8K resolution. While true 8K gaming is still on the bleeding edge of what is possible, having a graphics card that natively supports an uncompressed 8K display output means this GPU is going to stay highly relevant and fully capable in your system for years and years to come. So when we put all of these specifications together, who exactly should buy the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5070? First and foremost, if you are currently running an older system and looking to upgrade from an RTX 3060, a 3070, or even a 4060, the massive jump in overall performance here is going to absolutely blow your mind. The addition of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory combined with the sheer core processing speed of NVIDIA's 50 series architecture makes this the absolute new sweet spot for high-end, uncompromising PC gaming. Secondly, it is without a doubt the ultimate choice for SFF builders. You no longer have to sacrifice high-end thermal cooling or raw frame rates just to fit a powerful GPU into a small Mini-ITX desktop case. You get the incredible 3-fan Axial-tech cooling system, the highly sought-after premium dual BIOS features, and the legendary, reliable build quality of the ASUS Prime series, all neatly packaged in a footprint that actually respects your desk space. To wrap things up today, the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5070 is simply a masterclass in highly efficient PC hardware engineering. It flawlessly delivers top-tier NVIDIA PCIe 5.0 performance, lightning-fast 12GB GDDR7 memory, and fully future-proof DisplayPort 2.1b connectivity in a size that makes building a PC fun again.
It's incredibly fast, it's whisper quiet, and it is more than ready for whatever demanding titles the next 5 years of gaming throws at it. If you are ready to pull the trigger and significantly upgrade your daily gaming experience right now, please do not forget to click the Amazon affiliate links I have provided in the description below. Those links will take you straight to the official ASUS Prime RTX 5070 page, so you can easily check the current pricing, read through more user reviews, and get this amazing card shipped right to your door as fast as possible. If you found this deep dive review helpful, please smash that like button. It really does help out the channel a lot. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss our upcoming in-depth PC build guides where we will be featuring this exact graphics card. And finally, let me know down in the comments below, what is the very first game you are going to play when you upgrade your rig to the brand new RTX 5070? Thanks so much for spending some time